Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out Elementary OS, a Linux-based operating system that promises a clean, fast, and user-friendly experience. If you're thinking about switching from Windows or Mac OS, this review will help you see if it's the right choice. What it is. Elementary OS is a Linux distribution focused on simplicity, speed, and aesthetics. It's designed to give users a polished desktop experience without all the clutter or complexity you might find in other Linux versions. How it works. Once installed, Elementary OS runs on a lightweight desktop environment called Pantheon. It comes with a set of default apps for browsing, email, music, and productivity, but you can also install more through its App Center. Its interface is intuitive, with easy navigation, clean icons, and gestures for multitasking. The system emphasizes privacy, speed, and minimalism, while staying familiar enough for beginners. Who it's for. Elementary OS is great for newcomers to Linux, users who want a clean, distraction-free desktop, and anyone looking for a lightweight alternative to Windows or Mac OS. What people are saying. Many users praise the OS for its elegant design, speed, and ease of use. On the flip side, some feel that the software library is limited compared to other Linux distributions, and a few report compatibility issues with certain hardware. Pros: sleek, intuitive interface, lightweight and fast. Built-in apps cover basic needs, strong focus on privacy. Cons: limited app selection compared to other Linux distributions, some hardware compatibility issues, fewer customization options for advanced users. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you want a simple, beautiful, and beginner-friendly Linux experience, Elementary OS is definitely worth trying. Just make sure your hardware is supported before switching. And that's it for this Elementary OS review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.